What's up, y'all? I'm Elijah Clemens, back from YouTube, and I'm here to show y'all about um, a gear that's $14 at Walmart, and plus taxes 21. I was surprised 'cause I thought it would be 20. So, and if you're in the army, you're gonna like this video because it's military stuff. I'm gonna show y'all the basics. Here's the helmet to protect your head from bad guys shooting you, getting you in the head. And here's the shades. It's like shades that it's protective shades and vision shades. So you can see vision. If it's like dark, you can like see it. 2 grenades. Some people call them bombs, but they're actually grenades. You take the circle part off right here, and then you bite it like this. Take it off, and you throw it. And you throw them. Make sure you be really far from them, cause you will blow up. And we got water. So if you're on the field, you have to at least have water. So like if you get tired, cause your mission is like an hour. And here's a clock. Not a clock, yeah. It's a clock, so you'll know the time, because they don't have clocks outside. And mostly, here's the gun. It's a light machine gun, so you can hold it with one hand. You can shoot it with one hand. And the fact that I like about this thing is the sound is kind of crazy, but the gun vibrates, so it's kind of like recoil. It sounds funny, but and that's cool. And green, not my good color. And most of all, it comes with a vest. It was so cool. You put the vest on, you lock it up, and a vest is to protect your chest and your stomach. So they won't shoot you there. And the vest is not like a hard vest. It would be cool if it was, but it's still cool because it's in the army. It's an army vest. And I'm going to show y'all, and I'm going to put it on. So you have to take the shirt off you have and put that shirt on this one. And here are strips, so you can like strip it to it. And so the strip, see that part? That part, you strip it onto here, so you can so it'll stay like that. But this gear is $21 total, and so I'm gonna put this gear on. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So I put the vest on first. Move all this stuff. Get the vest on first, because if you put the helmet on, it's gonna be really hard. So that's the vest. Put the vest on. Right here. Can you see me? Okay, so I gotta take my shirt off. And when you go in the army, whew, them bosses, I mean, they make you work out hard. Because they trying to make you learn. You need to, you need to, you need to work hard so you can, like, move fast in the army. Like, because you can get shot. My dad, he was in the army for 14 years and he still survived. Okay, I'm going to put the vest on. Lock the strip up. Strip lock. Strip lock. Okay. Next, we put the shades on. Shades. Protect ourselves. I'm gonna let y'all see the shades. Uh-oh. Okay, now put the shades on. Next to helmet. Helmet. Okay, forget this. We just gonna do the other stuff. Put the watch on. And when you put watches on, you can't put it on your right wrist. Because when you write, most people write with right wrist. Because it'll hurt your wrist and you can't write anymore. So, you're supposed to put it on for the left one. Okay. Okay, I got the watch on another time. The grenades on. Let's put the grenades right there. The water. The water on next. Put it in my pocket. watch, helmet, technique, shades, 2 grenades, and water, and my gun, and vest. And I hope y'all like the video. This is Logical News. And subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.